Okay, I'm going to try to cook some bread using this 14,000 BTU Butterfly canning stove and the little oven that comes with it. Just make up your own favorite bread recipe, and I'll get going in just a second. Okay, I have lit all 22 wicks, and we're going to put the catalytic converter on the top here. And pretty soon all this will get blue around here as it heats up. And this is the adjustment on the level of the wicks, which controls the temperature. So you just take the oven part, and it's open on the bottom. So you set it on here, and see you have to be kind of careful because you're basically just sets on here. And this is very inaccurate. So what I did was I have a digital thermometer. I just ran it in, and you can see the thermocouple in there. So I'm just going to wait here until we get to 350, and then I'll put the bread in. One thing to know about this oven is it's thin metal and it's not insulated in any way. So be very careful and do not touch this while you are cooking or you have it heated up. It gets very hot in the heat. It'll heat your room. Okay guys, I've tried to equilibrate this oven as close to 350 as I could get. Got two thermometers going, and boy, let me tell you, this has taken me an hour. Good thing, because you know the bread, it takes a while for it to rise. This has been extremely difficult because this is thin, and the temperature of the room and the air currents, everything is going to affect this. And this is not like a regular oven that comes on and turns off based on the temperature. It's a constant heat, so you have to keep messing with this with the wick lengths to get close to where you want, and then you just kind of watch the temperature. So if you're close and the temperature is not changing fast, then you're just going to have to swing for the fences and go with it, and that's what we're going to do. Okay, the bread's in there, and we'll start the counter. Notice how the temperature changed a lot when I opened the door. Now it's going to have to go back up. But we'll see what happens. Okay, we're done. There's a lot of temperature fluctuations going on, so you're going to have to watch what you're doing. And I'm glad I did this because with any piece of equipment that you're going to buy for emergency use, you don't want to be using that equipment for the very first time when you're under emergency conditions. So I'm going to keep working with this so that I can understand how it works. So, but overall, I think I'm pretty happy with how it works. I'm getting a better understanding of how to use it, and my bread came out. We're going to taste it and see if there's any kerosene taste in the bread, because we're kind of curious about that. But anyway, I'm pretty happy with it. But you can't just set it and walk away like you can your oven in your kitchen.